Hello and welcome! I'm so glad you joined me as I opened my second box from StitchFix. I am preparing to go to a conference. I need some conference clothes. I need them fast. My first StitchFix box was kind of which I hear is normal because you're still figuring things out and they're still figuring you out. So I'm really excited to see what's in this one. Join me as we open up the wonders that may lie inside. I don't know. It's been a long day. Alright, let's get to it. So as most of us, I think, know by now, StitchFix is a subscription service. You pay $20 up front. They style for you. They send you a box of goodies. Whatever you decide to keep out of that, they will deduct your original $20 from. So as long as you buy something, to get the box is free. If you decide not to buy anything, you just spend $20 on getting a box of clothes in the mail that turned into an errand and returning them. So my goal is to not have wasted that $20 and hopefully have something for this conference. So they send you the return bag. A little note from your stylist. I don't want to look into that yet because that will spoil the surprise. Yeah, and what everything costs. All right, let's get to it. Here is the bundle. Everybody shows the bundle. Here's the bundle. It's heavy. There's a lot in here. So I'm going to put this down really quickly and see what we've got. The first item is from 41 Hawthorne. It is a long sleeve crossover top. It's lovely. Dark blue. I love dark blue. Very nice professional workwear. I'm chuffed already. I'm looking forward to this. Okay. So that's one. The second item. Do you hear my daughter screaming downstairs, by the way? Rough day, you guys. Rough day. Is from Staccato, a light gray top with, I'm sure you can't see this because of my terrible setup, like the tie bit at the bottom, which is like very fashionable right now and also rather lovely. Oh man, the third item is a blazer, an olive green blazer from the company Skies Are Blue. I'm gonna break my blazer. I don't own any blazers, which is ridiculous considering this conference, but it fits me quite nicely, actually. Alright, I'm just eager to get into the rest of it. So, let's see. Aha! And the last two items are professional pants, which I specifically asked for. And the last pair of professional pants, trousers, pants, dress pants that they sent me were very form-fitting. And these are stretchy, but I don't think they'll be as form-fitting. There's black and gray. Although these do have a tapered leg, which I'm not really all about. But I'm feeling good about this. All right, let's see what my note from my stylist says. Hello, Sarah. Happy Fix Day. It's great to see you back for your second fix and to be styling you again. Pleased that your first experience with StitchFix was a happy one. You've seen an item that you love. Appreciate the time you took to leave feedback on each piece, and I hope as you try on from this round, that puts a smile on your face. As you are looking for some trousers, I've included a few options in this box. Revelry black trousers Try the pants with the 41 Hawthorne navy ruched knit top. More casual staccato light gray knit top, which will pair better with your favorite jeans. Each top can be layered with a dark green blazer or the cardigan you kept from your last round. I've also added some navy trousers. I hope you enjoy. Hugs and kisses, Julie. Thank you, Julie. There's something to be said about the communication. I left obsessively detailed feedback about my last box, and it looks like she brought it all to heart. And isn't that lovely? All right. It ultimately is going to come down to cost, and I'm not going to look at that yet. I'm going to try everything on first. But I'm going to try some things on, and we'll see what they look like and how they fit, and we will go from there. But this is really comfortable. Okay, more soon. Outfit number 1. The trousers are the gray ones, I think. Which ones are these? I think they're the gray ones. They're really weird. They fit weird. They're like really weird. They're the ones that are straight lip instead of boot cut. They're no bueno, you guys. They have pockets, but I'm just not digging them. The shirt, on the other hand, I really like. I feel like it's really lovely. It has this fun cross top, like called ruched, which just makes me think of maternity clothes, and nursing gear, which this could totally double as. Not that that's happening anytime soon, but it's really comfy and I really like the top. Pants, unfortunately, are no-go. We have another pair of pants to try on, and another top, so let's see. Outfit number 2. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. The pants are definitely better than the last pants, and definitely better than the pants from the first box. They're still like, I don't know, they're really like form-fitting, you guys. I don't know what to do about that. It's not usually my jam. The shirt is super comfy, and I don't know. I think it's like my stylist recommended that I pair this with jeans for like a casual look. But I'm wondering if I could get away with this for a conference. I don't know, we'll see. It's really comfortable and I want an excuse to buy it. The blazer, I don't know, I'm not a blazer person. I feel too grown up, maybe, is what I feel. The pants fit awesomely. They are very stretchy and kind of like wearing yoga pants. The shirt's super comfy too. And the blazer's a blazer. I mean, it's stretchy as well, like jersey-ish. I don't know what I'm talking about. It's been a long day. I was just really excited to get my box. So I'm going to get dressed, back in my clothes again, and we'll see how much all of this costs, because that always is the deciding factor now, isn't it? Sure is. All right, be back. All right, now the moment of truth. Time to see how much all of this costs. When you sign up and fill out your profile, you can say how much you feel comfortable spending on different types of clothes. Like, do you spend more or less than $50 per top or per bottom or per shoe or whatever, that kind of thing. And I'm in the lowest bracket. I chose the lowest bracket for everything. Didn't seem to make that much difference last time. We'll see what it looks like this time. Okay. So if you buy everything, there's a 25% discount for buying the whole box. but let's get into it and see how much it is. The Denver front twist scoop neck in light gray. This bad boy, which I really love and is super soft. $38. The Renee straight leg pants, which I did not like at all. They had like weird bits in the front. In navy. They call that navy. I called it gray. But okay. $88. The black bootcut trouser, which I did like better, but still not in love with, were $78. The Skies Are Blue Asian knit blazer in dark green is $68. And here, the blue shirt that I really liked. The Hawthorne, 41 Hawthorne Henry Surplus wrap ruched shirt in navy is $48. So if you were to buy the box is $320, minus the buy all discount, minus the $20 I already put up front, and the total is $220. I'm not buying the box because those navy pants fit me weird, and as much as I should enjoy wearing blazers, I just don't. I'm a sweater. I'm a cardigan person, not a blazer person. So that's where we're at. I already paid $20. I'm going to get something so that I don't lose that. And Lauren is watching and already knows what I'm getting, I'm sure. It's the gray Denver front twist scoop neck knit, whatever. They don't put the whole name on it. It's $38. I already put $20 towards it, so it's only an additional $18. Way more than I would pay for a sweater in real life, usually. However, I am a grown-up now and can start spending a little more on myself, especially now that I'm trying to get back into the professional world after being kind of on the sidelines from it for a little while, after having my kiddos. So I feel like I'd like the pants, the black pants. I like them okay. Not $78 worth okay. Am I just cheap? I might just be cheap. I don't know. Let me know what you think, everyone. Lauren and a handful of other lovely, wonderful people who've decided to join me. I'm really glad to have you here. Let me know what you think. Am I being too stingy? Are these prices, like, reasonable? And what should I have kept instead of sending back? Because I'm going to send it all back, except for this gray sweater. But I'm really happy about this gray sweater. So last box, I got a gray sweater. And this box, I got a gray sweater. And I'm actually really happy with that. Maybe I should tell my stylist to, like, start sending colorful things, and then I'll be obligated to buy a colorful thing. But StitchFix, box 2, in the books. I'm still not disappointed. But we'll see what happens with box 3. I'm committed to getting a third box, and we'll see how it goes from there. And if it's really not a good fit from that point, then I might take a break from Stitch Fix for a while. The purpose was largely for this conference, and I leave next week. So, yeah. In any case, thank you for joining me. Let me know what you think in a comment. And help me, because I am in need of your wonderful, lovely advice. Till next time, be well.